Exo V4 delivers a hard film that makes water spots easy to remove, offers great resistance to all wash chemicals, and can help withstand micro-marring. It produces a high-gloss, warm-looking, extreme hydrophobic finish. After polishing the surface, a thorough inspection of the paintwork is required. Once coated, your results will be locked in for years to come. Gtechniq Panel Wipe is our recommended prep product to ensure all oils and polish residues have been removed. Nicknamed Truth Serum, Panel Wipe will show you the true condition of the paintwork. Ensure that you have sufficient product to coat your vehicle. It is available in 2 sizes, 30 millilitres for most cars and 50 millilitres for most larger vehicles and trucks. Exo V4 comes with everything needed in the box, including gloves and the AP2 applicator. A master instruction sheet is included, as well as a decal to let everyone know that you have selected Gtechniq to protect your investment. Using the applicator to open the product will make sure you get the most out of your product. Drop several, between 5 and 10 drops of product onto the applicator provided. Work the liquid into the pad to get an even saturation. Apply with the applicator provided in overlapping strokes. Wait for 2 minutes and then fold your first MF1 twice to form a square. Spread and remove most of the residue using a light touch.